Today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite oils which I use regularly, and I use this every day. In fact, at this time it really works a great deal. It works for your sinus. The name of the oil is Help Me, I Have a Bad Cold. What is it actually? It is a blend of essential oils of eucalyptus, rosemary. Now rosemary has a certain percentage of camphor again. It has lavender in it, it has peppermint in it, it has basil in it. So a blend of all these oils which work for your sinus, work for your throat, sore throat, works for your chest, works for a common cold, it really works a great deal. And I use this regularly. I massage it around my forehead, around my eyes, my sinus. I massage it from the back of